What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. We're going to talk about SHIBASWAP as well as token burn and why I think it's so important. Maybe not agreeing with the devs so much, but why I think it's personally important. Of course, we're going to get into that later on in the video. For now, we are going to talk about the price and why we've been seeing this really weird movements recently and why I'm so excited going into the weekend and why I think we have a lot of momentum. Of course, this video is brought to you by Webull. I am an official affiliate of Webull. Link in the description below. When you open up a Webull brokerage account, you can get a free stock valued all the way up to $300. And when you deposit $100 into that brokerage account, you can get a free stock valued all the way up to $2,000. If you don't like those stocks, you can sell them and then you can buy cryptocurrency on Webull or just keep it as liquid cash in your Webull account. Folks, Shiba Inu. We saw this very strange price pump right here early this morning, and everybody is left wondering why. Of course, if you haven't heard already, Elon Musk did tweet, "My Shiba Inu will be named Flocky or Floki." I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce that, but either way, Elon Musk, whenever Elon Musk tweets, take it for better or for worse, everybody has to flock to that particular thing. And so he did tweet this morning, and that is why we saw this little price pump here. Of course, I'm not really sure if he was tweeting in regards to SHIB token. He was probably tweeting in regards to Dogecoin. You have to remember that the Shiba Inu dog is the coin mascot for Doge as well. So 50-50 there. Like I always say, whenever Elon Musk tweets something and it has an effect on the cryptocurrency market, I always, I'm always sketched out by it. I'm always 50-50 about it because I don't know. It just kind of rubs me the wrong way sometimes. Like I said before, I like Elon Musk. I like Tesla a lot. I'm actually invested in Tesla, but there's just something about him tweeting these things that sometimes I'm like, yeah, let's take a step back and really look at why we are invested into this coin. And it's not for price pumps like this, okay? This is not what I'm looking for every single day. What I'm looking for is a small gradual rise in the coin price, and I am okay with us going slow. I don't need a price explosion overnight. That being said, we have to take it as it is. This is the status of the cryptocurrency market, unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on your view. We are green on the 7-day chart, but obviously, this might have affected it a little bit. Cryptocurrencies are actually down today, and of course, if we look at the month, we are still down. Cryptocurrencies are down today. If you look at Bitcoin on the 24-hour, we are down pretty much on every single coin: Bitcoin, Ether, Binance, Cardano, except for Dogecoin, probably because of Elon Musk's tweets, obviously. But everything else is pretty much down on the 7-day chart. Sorry, on the 7-day and the 1-day chart. So, we had this really nice recovery over the last couple of days, and now we are toning back down a little bit. Who knows what this weekend has in store for us? But I do believe that Shiba Inu actually has some very nice momentum going into this weekend. Now, there's a couple of things that we really need to talk about because they are kind of urgent. First and foremost is the SHIBASWAP release. Folks, the devs, when it comes to SHIBASWAP, they are working very, very, very hard, as well as Certec. There's a lot going on. The audit seems to be nearing completion. SHIBASWAP is ready to go. SHYTOSHI did tweet yesterday that the date and time should be announced soon. This is when it comes, and he is excited as well, obviously. This is when it comes to the Certec AMA. So we are very, very excited. We are anticipating this thing coming out soon. And obviously, along with that, we are excited about this weekend because we have the Oracle coming to SHIBASWAP, and that is going to be in the form of X Fund. We've gotten a lot of information about that. And like I said in my other video, at a very, very, very basic level, an Oracle is a way for the blockchain to interact with the external world. Shout out to Milkshake for tweeting that. Give us a little bit of insight as to why this thing is so important. So obviously this is super relevant, but what I am hoping to hear soon is something about a token burn. Okay, that is the big focus of today's video: why we need token burn and why I think it's so vitally important. Guys, the volume, the fully diluted market cap, and the market cap continue to do well, but you have to think about the supply and demand tokenomics at a very basic fundamental level. It's all about supply and demand. When supply is low and demand is high, the price goes up, and vice versa. That being said, Shiba Inu coin is one of those coins that is abundant in its tokenomics. It has a lot of tokens for the purpose. It's supposed to be the quote unquote poor man's coin. Everybody's supposed to be able to buy into this. That being said, I do believe that we need some type of automatic token burn. And a manual token burn can be implemented. I think that's fine. Sending coins to a dead wallet, that's fine. But think about regular tokenomics of just a token burn automatically when somebody either uses ShibaSwap, stakes, adds to liquidity pools, just a very, very small amount. Doesn't have to be anything incredible. And it doesn't even have to be both ways. It doesn't have to be whenever you put it in or take out your SHIB coin. It could just be a one-way token burn. I think this would be absolutely phenomenal for the coin. It could be something as little as 2%, 3%, 4%, maybe even 5%, but something that just allows us to burn our tokens in a way that is automatic. Because if we rely on a manual token burn, we have to rely on each other to really burn the tokens. And there are going to be some people that are greedy out there that are not going to want to burn their tokens. And so we can't rely on each other all the time. There are some people that are very strong people in the community, and they're obviously going to be willing to burn their tokens if everybody agrees to do it. But we can't take everybody's word. This is the internet, obviously, so we can't take everybody's word. The most important thing is to have some type of automatic token burn system, and I am hoping, I am praying that ShibaSwap has this automatic token burn. Like I said, a manual token burn isn't ideal. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 3-month chart now that we are done talking about token burn and why it is so important in terms of the supply and demand. And like I said, let me backtrack a little bit. ShibaSwap in and of itself, I think, is going to help the tokenomics because I think it's going to decrease the supply as people are staking and adding to the liquidity pools and increasing demand. Obviously, whenever ShibaSwap releases, a lot of people are going to find it easier to buy Shiba Inu SHIB token, and they are going to want to buy in, and they're going to see the fact that they can stake and add to liquidity pools on ShibaSwap, and that is going to bring in more investors as well. So that in and of itself is good, but a token burn would be better in my opinion. Now, some exciting news when it comes to Shiba Inu specifically is from Voyager. It says, let's go hashtag SHIB Army, as we are happy to put the logo on the car, but show us how much you want it by opening accounts with Invest Voyager. Is happy to do it. So they're talking about a NASCAR, I'm pretty sure, and it says, SHYTOSHI tweets back and says, let's make this a reality. So obviously a very big deal. We are we are expanding so much recently. There was somebody that commented on yesterday's video saying there might be a deal coming with NASCAR, which is absolutely insane. So there's a lot going down in the pipeline. Like I said, we have so much momentum right now. It's absolutely crazy. There are people downloading the Voyager app. I might actually go ahead and take a look at it just to see, what's going on over there. Maybe I'll end up buying some crypto on the Voyager app. We'll see. But this is obviously very, very big news. We are expanding every single day. There's some type of use case. There's more people advertising this thing. I mean, the rate at which Shiba Inu is growing is unprecedented. We have never seen a coin grow at this rapid of a rate ever before, and so it is really exciting to see it right before our eyes. Obviously sometimes the price doesn't reflect that, but once this crypto market starts recovering, folks, and I'm talking about a real recovery with all the momentum that we have and everything going for us, as long as we can continue to keep that momentum in terms of the growing community as this small bear market is kind of recovering a little bit, I think great things will come out the other side, but obviously only time will tell. This is by no means financial advice. I'm just here to put you guys on plays that I'm into. This video is for educational entertainment purposes only, but I am very excited when it comes to Shiba Inu and token burn in particular. Folks, that's all I have for you guys in today's video. Obviously a little bit shorter one, but an important one nonetheless. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on token burn. I know the devs don't agree with it 100%, but I still want to hear what you guys have to say in the comments below. Please, if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family of investors. Throw a like on this video so we can get out to more people. Last but not least, the best way you can help out this channel is by using that Weibo affiliate link in the description below. Go ahead and get yourself some free stocks. If you don't like those stocks, sell them, and you can keep it either as liquidity in your account, or you can actually buy cryptocurrency now on Weibo. And there are rumblings of Weibo listing Shiba Inu. More updates on that to come. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. It's your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm at the scene. Peace out.